Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news that the number of Americans filing new claims for unemployment benefits fell sharply last week to its lowest level since February 2008. And there was a positive job surprise in Australia too. Australian employers hired almost 3 times the number of workers economists had forecast for September, even as the unemployment rate jumped, as many more people there re-entered the job market. And there's been a surprise also in the euro debt markets. Italy got away a big new debt auction successfully with a bid to cover ratio of 1.7 and an interest rate of an impressive 2.86%. This is in stark contrast to Spain, where their government bonds are facing a sell-off by investors concerned that the nation's credit rating will be cut to non-investment grade after Standard & Poor's lowered its ranking for the debt. The German-led drive for austerity is worrying the IMF. Christine Lagarde has said overnight that debt-stricken Greece should be given more time to implement its austerity program, and European countries should refrain from fresh budget cuts or tax rises if growth weakens further. Also worried are the South Koreans. The Bank of Korea has cut its base interest rate for the second time this year in a move designed to shore up Asia's fourth largest economy as it slows on the back of Europe's protracted debt crisis and the economic slowdown in the US and China. And Japan has signalled it's going its own way on its currency. It wants to rein in the yen's strength, it says. Apparently it's been negotiating a coordinated response with the US, but now it says differences on foreign exchange couldn't be resolved through negotiations. Meanwhile, the lower US currency isn't helping its trade deficit, which widened in August as exports of agricultural and industrial goods fell. The New Zealand dollar was unaffected yesterday by all this and still holding this morning at 81.8 US cents and 72.9 on the TWI. Levels have been broadly since early August, or apart from an 8-week period in the middle of the year, broadly it's been holding at these levels all year. I'm David Chaston, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.